Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about limit. So now I will show you how to answer. We have the formula in here. That is about a square minus b square equals to a minus b multiplied by a plus b. So about s, that is about the square root of s to the power of 2. Number 4, that's about 2 square. Now we can apply the formula in here. And you got the square root of s minus number 2 and the square root of s plus number 2. Now we need to simplify on numerator and denominator. Now I will put number 4 gone here and you got the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.